Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi and welcome to the Costarian Kitchen. Here we deliver easy and sumptuous recipes that you can always try at home. So today we are going to make French toast for breakfast. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you can get notified. Also like, comment and share the video with your friends and loved ones. So without further ado, let's head right straight to the video. Here we are going to start with our 2 eggs, crack them and put them in a bowl. Then we'll go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of milk and then add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then go ahead and whisk them together. After whisking, we will go ahead and add a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and mix them. After they are all mixed properly, go ahead and put your pan on the fire on low heat. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of oil. As the pan and the oil are continuing to get hot, we'll go ahead and prep our bread. So with me, I use Blue Band as my butter. Those who have used Blue Band know how tasty it is. If you love Blue Band, let me know in the comment section. So I take a slice of bread, apply my Blue Band. That will act as my butter. You can use butter. After applying, you put the other slice and cover it up. Then we are going to dip it in our mixture. I don't like soaking my bread in the mixture, so mix the mixture first so that the cinnamon doesn't settle at the bottom. Then go ahead and dip your bread. At the part where I apply the butter, you can also put cheese if you have. Then we'll put our dipped bread on the pan. You need to make sure that the heat is on low so that your toast doesn't burn before it gets ready. While it's on low heat, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes before you turn it over. So this is after 3 minutes. We are going to flip it over and you can know if it's ready when you see it has turned golden brown. You can see the color is golden brown. It's crunchy. So here you flip it over again for a minute or two before you remove it from the fire. So here our toast is well cooked and it's time to get it off the fire. So we are going to repeat the same process with all the bread that you want to toast until we finish. So far, if you're loving this recipe, please hit that like button and also comment on the comment section. I would really love to hear from you and also reply to your comments. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you can get notified. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.